Good morning. Welcome to Sew with Carla. Hi, my name is Carla. Thank you for stopping by. Today, May 25th, Saturday, 8:28 in the morning. When you're trying to find out if you have to drop pepper seeds every year in Zone 9B, you leave your plants out through the winter. You might even cut them back or not. And when spring comes, the following season, you will know. But be a little patient. Just be a little patient. Hold on. That's not it. Everyone don't start growing at the same time. Everyone come in their own season. Now, because look at them. I didn't think they were coming back. And didn't feel like cleaning up.